Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by powering down and opening the case to confirm physical connections. Check the SATA cable and power connector and reseat the two. 5-inch or M2 drive carefully. If the drive is M2, ensure the correct screw secures it and the key matches your slot. Try a different SATA cable or a known good power lead to rule out cabling faults. If available, insert the SSD into a USB enclosure and test on another computer to isolate the system from the drive. Boot into BIOS or UEFI and check storage controller settings and drive detection. Update the motherboard BIOS and SSD firmware with vendor tools if updates exist. Set SATA mode to ASI and disable RAID or Intel RSD to improve compatibility with single drives. Save and reboot, then open Device Manager in Windows to view storage controllers and unknown devices. Update or reinstall storage and chipset drivers from the manufacturer to restore proper device enumeration and driver-based access. If the SSD appears in disk management as unallocated, initialize it and create a partition with a drive letter. Run chkdsk, disk part, or manufacturer diagnostics when the drive is detected but inaccessible. Use vendor tools to update firmware or perform a secure erase only after backing up data. If the drive never appears on multiple systems and enclosures, prepare for RMA or professional data recovery depending on data importance. Document serials and purchase details for warranty claims before attempting destructive repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.